What is print on demand? How does it work? And should you start a print on demand business in 2021? That's coming up. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm pretty excited about today's video because we're going to be doing a pretty in-depth, comprehensive look at print on demand. What is print on demand? How does it work? Is it a good fit for you? I'm going to give you a ton of information in this video, and I think it's going to be really helpful. So let's dive in. Let me start off by saying I think print on demand is the best opportunity for anybody wanting to get started with online business. It has a very low barrier to entry. You can start with next to no money, almost no money at all. And I started my first print on demand business about 3.5 years ago with literally no money. And since then, I've done multiple six figures in revenue, and I've sold over 20,000 apparel items online. And it has really changed my life because it's opened up so many more opportunities for me as an online entrepreneur and helped me get to where I am today. What is print on demand? Print on demand is a way to sell apparel and custom printed items that allows you to automatically send your orders to a company that will print, package, and ship the orders for you. This allows you to sell your items online without buying upfront inventory, without printing the t-shirts or apparel yourself, and without shipping the items yourself. It's all done for you. Even better, most print-on-demand companies will work with you completely free. There's no cost to use them other than what you pay for the items and shipping as you make sales. You can sell almost anything with print-on-demand, from t-shirts to mugs to skateboards to curtains, blankets, phone cases. I could go on and on. There's literally hundreds of items that you can sell with print on demand. Now that you know a little bit about print on demand, you're probably thinking, how do I find these print on demand companies? And it's actually a lot easier than you think. I recommend a tool called Shopify. Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can easily build and host your entire e-commerce business. And inside Shopify, there's a tool called the Shopify App Store, a place called the Shopify App Store. It's very similar to the App Store on your phone. You can go into the Android Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and find different apps to install into your phone to do different things. The Shopify App Store is very similar for your e-commerce business. And you can go into that App Store and search and find hundreds of print-on-demand companies that you can install with just one click into your store and start working with them. So in a matter of a few minutes, you can have a print-on-demand partner, you can upload your products and start making sales with print-on-demand, again, completely free. You just pay for the orders as you make them. If you'd like to try out Shopify free for 14 days, and Shopify is my e-commerce platform of choice, you can go over to shirtschool.com/Shopify to grab a 14-day free trial and try it out for yourself. I'll also leave that link down in the description for you to check it out. All right, I've got my iPad pulled up here, and I want to break down with you exactly how print on demand works. Inside of my course and inside of my community, I see so often that people love the idea of print on demand, but they can't quite grasp how the whole flow works. How do the orders get processed? How do you actually get paid? And how do you make profit off of this? So I want to break that down with you. So what we're going to look at is what happens, if I can type, right? What happens when you get a sale? When you get a sale. Okay, the very first thing that happens when you get a sale on your online store is the customer gives you money. They pay you money on your website. That money is going to travel to your payment processor. Now, in this case, that would be Shopify. If you're using a Shopify store, if you're using something else, that might be Stripe or PayPal. In this case, we're just going to assume it's going to Shopify. Okay. So that money is going to go to Shopify. After it goes to Shopify, it's going to take 2 days for Shopify to pay that money out to your bank account. So as soon as you get an order, if I come to your store right now and I give you $25 for a t-shirt, that money is going to go to your payment processor. And then after about 2 days, it's going to be deposited into your bank account. But something else is going to happen right when that customer gives you money. There's going to be a new order that travels to the print-on-demand company. If you whatever print-on-demand company you're using, as soon as you get an order on your website, your Shopify in this case, or your e-commerce platform, is going to send that order over to your print-on-demand provider. The print-on-demand provider is going to print and ship that order over to your customer, right? So your customer is going to receive that order. The other thing that they are going to do, and I'm going to get my red out of here, is they are instantly going to charge you money to you. Okay? And we could just say to your bank account. Let me just erase that. They're going to charge you money to your bank account. Okay? So this is the flow. So what happens here is normally you have to pay the print-on-demand provider instantly when you get an order. So that means you have to front, let's say $13 for the order if the order is $25, and then after 2 days you're going to collect that $25, which is going to reimburse you for what you paid to the print-on-demand company. So let's review this one more time. The customer comes to your store and makes a purchase. Two things happen at that point. That money is sent over in holding to your payment processor, in this case Shopify, and an order is sent over to your print-on-demand provider telling them that they need to print the order, package it up, and ship it to your customer. Right when that order is sent over to the print-on-demand provider, the print-on-demand provider is going to charge you the cost for the items that you sold, like a t-shirt, a hoodie, whatever you sold. They're going to charge you like the wholesale cost of that right away. Then after 2 days, Shopify is going to pay you out for that order, essentially reimbursing you for the money that you spent on the item, the wholesale item from the print-on-demand company, and giving you that whatever profit is left on top of that. As you can see, print-on-demand is an incredible opportunity to start an online business and to make money online in general. And if you want to learn a lot more about print-on-demand, and if you want me to train you on how to start and launch your very own online t-shirt or apparel business, I want to invite you to join our free 5-day Launch Your Brand Challenge starting on January 4th, 2021. I'm going to go live for 5 days straight. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to start and launch your online t-shirt or apparel business, and it's completely free. All you need to do is go over to shirtschool.com/challenge, put in a little bit of information, and get registered for the challenge. Again, it's completely free. These challenges have been amazing. We've done a few of them before, and I'm super excited about this one because it's right at the beginning of the year, a fresh opportunity for everybody to start an incredible business in 2021. So go over to shirtschool.com/challenge, get signed up, and we'll see you soon.